Former President Trump's classified documents trial is expected to be pushed back from its originally scheduled start date in late May. How far is now the big issue. Fox News correspondent David Spunt is in Fort Pierce, Florida tonight with more on that story.
Former President Donald Trump left the federal courthouse in Fort Pierce, Florida, after hours of arguments over when his classified documents trial should begin. Judge Eileen Cannon originally scheduled the trial for May 20th, the last legs of the primary election, but today signaled it would be delayed after both sides agreed to move things back on the calendar. Special counsel Jack Smith in the courtroom today watched as his team agreed to move the trial to July 8th. Trump's team fired back, arguing it's unfair to hold the trial during the height of a campaign, pleading to start it after the election in November, though Trump's team says the earliest they can be ready, August 12th. Special counsel attorney Jay Bratt said the trial could even take place in the fall, arguing that his team is in full compliance with the DOJ policy that says prosecutors should not take investigative steps, criminal charges, or statements for the purpose of affecting any election. The Supreme Court has put a pause on Trump's other federal criminal case in Washington, D.C., where he's accused of trying to overturn the results of the 2020 election. The justices will decide before July whether Trump can even face charges based on presidential immunity.
If you don't have immunity for a president, and I'm not talking about only me, if you don't have immunity for a president, you will not be able to function properly. You will not be able to do the right thing for the country.
Each side estimates it will take about 5 weeks each to present their case, meaning that a trial that begins in mid-August could render a verdict just days before Election Day. In Fort Pierce, Florida, David Spunt, Fox News.